Think ChatGPT is just a chatbot? Think again. People all over the world are using it to generate income, even with zero experience. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple, beginner-friendly ways to use ChatGPT to make money starting today. Let's get into it. Welcome to Wealth Automation AI, where we turn tools like ChatGPT into income. Subscribe for weekly videos on AI side hustles, passive income, and no-code automation. First up, freelance writing using ChatGPT. Sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour are filled with buyers looking for help writing blog posts, product descriptions, email newsletters, and more. You can use ChatGPT to create high-quality drafts fast, then edit slightly for tone and clarity. Pro tip: offer blog packages, for example 4 blogs per month for recurring income. Example prompt: write a 600-word blog post about the benefits of meditation for beginners in a friendly tone. Second, selling digital products powered by ChatGPT. People are using ChatGPT to write ebooks, Notion templates, journals, and printables. You can list them on Etsy, Gumroad, or Amazon KDP and sell them passively. Pair ChatGPT with Canva for design, and you've got a low-cost digital product business. Pro tip: use ChatGPT to generate niche content like gratitude journals for teen athletes or AI prompt guides. Third, script writing for content creators. You can sell ChatGPT written scripts to YouTubers, TikTok creators, or podcast hosts. This is a high-demand niche because creators need lots of content, and they pay for speed. ChatGPT can generate engaging scripts based on viral formats. Example prompt: write a 60-second YouTube short script about why waking up at 5 a.m. increases productivity in a motivational tone. Want to take this further? Combine ChatGPT with tools like N8N or Zapier to build automated content systems. Example: automatically generate daily social media posts, quotes, emails, and more, and sell that as a subscription service to businesses or creators. So if you're just starting out, those are 3 beginner-friendly ways to make money with ChatGPT. Freelance writing selling digital products. Script writing for creators. The best part? You can start today without showing your face and scale over time. Subscribe to Wealth Automation AI for more faceless income ideas every week. Comment below if you want me to show how to build a full business using ChatGPT.